Well, thank you for that. And Jose, just like you said, that actually goes into our next question. Most people don't like receiving emails or texts from political campaigns. Raise your hand if you signed up for a list and then somehow got on someone else's list in this past cycle. Okay, all of us, yes. But is there any way a digital program can actually overcome the general population's natural aversion to this kind of outreach? Do you want to take it, Zach?
Yeah. So, and I think this kind of piggybacks on what Jose was saying, that good digital, I think, requires authenticity and a good brand and a good message, right, and a good candidate. And over the last, especially the last 4 years, when I was working with Jamie Harrison, for instance, the launch was one of the most important days of the campaign, because these days, if you don't raise, on a Senate race, like $500,000 to $1 million within 48 hours, it's going to be really tough, because that's a moment, but that's a digital moment, right? And we can't, especially for candidates, who may not come from money or come from the means, they can't just Rolodex, their list of big dollar family or something like that. They have to get people to donate $5. But in order to do that, they have to inspire people to donate $5, right? And so it goes hand in hand. It's really important for whether it's a launch or even a debate, right, to be thinking about, how can we take advantage of the opportunity to communicate with masses of people when they're paying attention, right? And I would also argue that, these days the battle for attention is the first battle of any campaign, right? And that's also where digital comes in, whether it's digital media, earned media, or paid media, and ensuring that what you're saying is distilled to communicate in digital platforms, so that creates momentum, which then creates grassroots support in fundraising and also in volunteers.